Do international organizations truly ensure fair elections, or are they mere spectators in a predetermined play? The Southern African Development Community, commonly known as SADC, has a pivotal role in shaping the political landscape of Southern Africa. This regional bloc, consisting of 16 member states, aims to foster economic growth and ensure political stability through cooperation and integration. A critical aspect of this mission is its involvement in observing elections within the region to ensure they are free, fair, and credible. Recently, Zimbabwe announced its initiative to send observers to the upcoming elections in South Africa, a move that has sparked considerable discussion. Zimbabwe, grappling with its own history of election controversies and allegations of voter suppression, seems an unlikely candidate to oversee the electoral process in another country. This development has drawn comments from SADC, highlighting both support and concern. Historically, SADC has been instrumental in addressing electoral disputes in the region. For instance, during Zimbabwe's own elections in 2018, SADC played a key role in monitoring the process, which was marred by accusations of fraud and violence. Their involvement aimed to bring credibility to the electoral process and ensure that the will of the people was respected. In the case of Zimbabwe observing elections in South Africa, SADC has cautiously welcomed Zimbabwe's initiative while emphasizing the importance of maintaining a high standard of transparency and impartiality. The organization has stressed that the credibility of election observation missions is paramount, and that member states must adhere to guidelines that promote honesty and prevent any conflict of interest. This stance by SADC reflects a broader understanding of the delicate balance required in maintaining democratic integrity within the region. It acknowledges the complex interplay of mutual interests among its member states while striving to uphold democratic values. In summary, SADC's response to Zimbabwe's initiative to observe elections in South Africa underscores the organization's commitment to democratic principles. By setting strict standards for election observation, SADC aims to ensure that such endeavors foster greater transparency and fairness, thereby strengthening democratic governance in Southern Africa. The implications of these developments are significant, as they not only affect the countries directly involved, but also set a precedent for electoral integrity and regional cooperation in Southern Africa. As we continue to observe these interactions, one thing remains clear. The role of international organizations like SADC is crucial in shaping the political destiny of nations.